Welcome to Tailor Made Apparels, where precision meets perfection in clothing manufacturing. Every great piece of clothing starts with expert pattern creation, ensuring the perfect fit and design. Stitching is where our garments truly come to life. At Tailor Made Apparels, our manual stitching process combines skilled craftsmanship with advanced machinery. Each garment is meticulously stitched by hand using our state-of-the-art machines, ensuring precision and durability in every seam. Our experienced team carefully monitors each stitch to ensure it meets our high standards for quality and strength. Attention to detail is our hallmark, ensuring every piece is finished to the highest standard. Each garment undergoes meticulous ironing, providing a crisp, polished look that stands out. Our careful packaging ensures your custom clothing arrives in pristine condition, ready to make an impact. Now, let's take a closer look at the finished products that exemplify our dedication to quality. Each piece is meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards of style and comfort. Our oversized t-shirts feature vibrant, high-definition prints that make a bold statement, while our acid-washed hoodies offer a trendy, worn-in look that's both stylish and comfortable. Whether it's our custom designs or our wide range of colors and fabrics, every item is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Meet the dedicated team behind Tailor Made Apparels. Our experts are passionate about every aspect of the manufacturing process, from design to delivery. Ready to bring your custom clothing vision to life? Contact Tailor Made Apparels today. With an MOQ of 50 pieces and a turnaround time of just 14 days, we're here to help you make a lasting impression.